Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can exchange stickers for stars on Monopoly Go. Well, basically, if you open your Monopoly Go app, you just need to tap on the album right here at the bottom right, and from here, you'll find all your available stickers. So basically, you have to tap on the little chest right here at the bottom right-hand corner to open up this chest right from here, and then you'll find an option here, and as you can see, stickers for rewards. And currently I do have 3 stars on my duplicate stickers, so exchange duplicate sticker stars for rewards. So basically, if you have 250 stars or duplicate stars right from here, then you will get, or you can exchange it into dice rolls and a 3-star stickers. Now, if you have 500 stars on the duplicate stickers, basically you can exchange it into 3-star and a 4-star stickers. And also, right from here at the bottom, you can unlock it at 1400 on your net worth. And basically, if you exchange your duplicate stickers, then you will get 4, 5, or another new gold stars on Monopoly Go. So that's all. So you just need to complete all the stickers and album while playing on Monopoly Go. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.